everyone, it's Brooklyn Napier from the Dan Plowman team, and I'm excited to show you our newest home for sale at 505 King Street West in Newcastle. Let's check it out. This newly built home features 4 bedrooms, a fully finished basement, as well as 10 feet ceilings on the main floor. Upstairs, let's check out the 4 oversized bedrooms with not 1, but 2 ensuite bathrooms. Now that we're downstairs, let's check out the basement with fully above grade windows as well as 9-foot ceilings down here. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our video. Give us a call if you want to book a private showing.